Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Power on the Apple Watch by holding the side button until the logo appears. Place the watch close to your iPhone to begin pairing using the Watch app. Follow on-screen steps to sign in with your Apple ID and enable cellular if desired. Choose wrist preference and set a secure passcode to protect data. Attach the included magnetic charger to the watch back and plug into power. Charge until the battery reaches 100%, which typically takes around 2 hours. Use the digital crown to scroll through lists and zoom into apps with precision. Press the crown once to return to the watch face from any app. Hold the crown to activate Siri and speak commands for quick actions. Swipe down from the watch face to open Control Center for toggles and battery status. Swipe up to access Notification Center and read recent alerts. Press the side button to reveal the dock and double press it to use Apple Pay instantly. Open the workout app to track walking, running, cycling, and more workout types. Select a workout type, set goals like time or calories, and tap Start to record. Wear the watch snugly on your wrist for accurate heart rate and SpO2 measurements. Enable heart rate and irregular rhythm notifications in settings to receive health alerts. Use the Sleep app to set schedules and wind down for better rest each night. Manage app notifications in the Watch app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.